Who would have thought that this pile of buckets can be turned into an art? Swiss artist Roman Signer is renowned for transforming commonplace items into meaning-laden time bombs. With a background in engineering and sculpting, he frequently uses buckets, balloons, boats, explosive, and time itself as his medium to create works that combine humor, danger, and absurdity.
So, sinasabi mo na ang ibang tao, kino-consider to as art? Pati ang pag-upo na ganito, para sa kanya art daw to. It's truly fascinating how diverse individual perceptions of art can be. A single artwork can evoke admiration, confusion, nostalgia, or even anger, all depending on who's looking at it. What one person sees as a masterpiece, other might dismiss as meaningless. That's because our interpretation of art is deeply personal, shaped by our backgrounds, emotions, cultures, and even our current mood.